Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 19th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So the US dollar CAD has been going up very strong this month so far, but I still think that this is all part of a downtrend. I still think it's going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C looking like that, or possibly even go all the way down to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the top of either a wave B or wave 2. If that's the case, then it's not an ABC, then it most likely is a 1, 2, 3. Either way, I mean, I don't personally don't think it's important to know whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 at this point because the trading strategy would be exactly the same, which is looking for shorts, either scenario. So going down to the weekly, like I said, we have been going up very strong, but I have my Fibonacci on just the retracement, just on this last push down, because this could bounce off a fib level, which we are bouncing off to 38, and it potentially could just keep on trending down. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, so far we do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 pattern to a Fibonacci level and a nice little push down. I'm not really 100% convinced that this is the end of a correction, especially looking at the dollar indexes. I mean, I think it's probably more likely that this is going to go up. And most of the time, if you have a wave one and a wave two will most often take out the higher wave four before it actually does end up continuing back down. So we had to keep a close eye. I mean, this could possibly be the end of a correction, but I don't really think it is. I think that we most likely have more movement to the upside before we actually do end this correction. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I do have it marked out as an ABC. I mean, because it definitely so far is three waves. It is at a Fibonacci level. It definitely made an impulsive move down. I think that the best bet would probably be looking for shorts until you see like an engulfing move up to the upside on these higher time frames. If you see a picture like this, or maybe you see something like this with like a break of structure, then that definitely would turn me into a buyer again. And at that point, I definitely would be looking for longs. But until that happens, I think looking for shorts may be the best bet. And if it really does end up being the end of the wave C and you're looking for shorts, then really it shouldn't cause an issue. If anything, you should make more money. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice five wave uptrend. We do have a little bit of a five-wave pattern down. I mean, I definitely do see five waves there. Could be a wave A. I definitely do see 1, 2, 3 waves up. Could be a wave B. I'm not really convinced that this is over. I think it's more likely it's going to keep going down to make a more proper five-way pattern for a wave C, even if it does go up. And like I was explaining on the 4 hour, this may not even be the end of a wave C. And if it's not, or I mean, it may actually be the end of a wave C, that is. And if it really is the end of a wave C, then yeah, it will bounce off some fib levels, but it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. And if you're looking for shorts anyways, then really it shouldn't create an issue if it just keeps on going down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.